In 2016, millennials became the largest US generation in the workforce, overtaking both the baby boomers and Gen X generations. Millennials live and work differently than previous generations. These younger employees are more educated, more connected, more diverse, and more technological than older workers. To attract and retain these workers, employers should use pre-employment assessments to not only determine these candidates' skills and abilities, but to also test for soft skills and emotional IQ. Millennials are an optimistic and sometimes unrealistic generation. In a recent Deloitte study of over 13,000 millennials, 57% stated that traveling was their top aspiration, while 52% wanted to earn a high salary. 2/3 of these millennial employees believe that they will reach the most senior ranks within their fields. In the next 2 years, 43% of millennials plan to leave their job because of dissatisfaction in pay, where 35% plan to leave because of lack of advancement opportunities. Overall, a disconnect exists between millennials' work and engagement. For example, a recent Gallup poll showed only 29% of millennials are engaged at work. Millennials expect a mindset change in the workplace as they view work and life as interconnected, and they expect their managers to believe the same. When recruiting millennials, employers need not only understand the generation, but they also need to embrace the changing workplace. It's a candidate's market, and employers must learn how to cater to talent if they wish to attract the best of the best. Hiring employees who fit within your industry, location, and culture can drive success. Understand who you're recruiting while adjusting your expectations to a changing marketplace. By tailoring your pre-employment assessment strategy to your industry and this generation, you can gain valuable insight into the millennial workforce, reduce turnover, and improve productivity. Get a complimentary, no-obligation demo and see how eSkill can help transform your recruiting and training.